Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something delicious, nutritious and Instagram worthy. How to make the perfect smoothie bowl. Whether you're a breakfast lover or just looking for a healthy snack, this recipe is quick, easy and totally customizable. Let's get started. First, let's gather what you'll need. 1 frozen banana, this makes it creamy. 1/2 cup of frozen berries, like strawberries, blueberries or mango. 1/4 cup of milk or a dairy-free alternative. Almond, oat or coconut milk work great. 1 tablespoon of nut butter, optional but adds richness. Toppings of your choice. Granola, fresh fruit, chia seeds, coconut flakes or nuts. A blender and of course a bowl and spoon. Start by adding your frozen banana, frozen berries and milk to the blender. If you're using nut butter, toss that in too. The frozen fruit is key. It gives the smoothie bowl its thick, spoonable texture. Blend until it's thick and creamy. If it's too thick, add a splash more milk. Too thin? Toss in a few more frozen berries. You want it to be scoopable, not drinkable. Now for the fun part, decorating. Pour your smoothie into a bowl and start adding your toppings. I'm using granola for crunch, fresh berries for sweetness, chia seeds for a boost of omega-3s, and a sprinkle of coconut flakes for that tropical vibe. Feel free to get creative here. The more colorful, the better. And there you have it, a perfect smoothie bowl that's as delicious as it is beautiful. It's packed with nutrients, easy to make, and totally customizable to your taste. Give it a try, and let me know what toppings you love in the comments below. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips and variations. Use different frozen fruits like pineapple, peaches, or spinach for a green smoothie bowl. Add protein powder or Greek yogurt for an extra protein boost. If you're vegan, stick to plant-based milk and skip the honey in your granola. And don't forget to snap a pic before you dig in. This bowl is almost too pretty to eat. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Let me know in the comments what other how-to videos you'd like to see next. Until then, happy blending.